Hello everyone. Let's see some other problem-solving skills that we can learn from Part C. Let's go to the real questions. This is 2020 problem 24. Let's pause the video to see if you can get it. Okay, let's come back. So we first need to understand this question. We have a large square region paved with n gray square tiles, each measuring s inches on a side. A border D, so the border is D, inches wide surrounding each tile. The figure below shows the case of n equal to 3. So this example of n equal to 3. When n is 24, the 576 gray tiles cover 64% of the area of large square region. Yeah, 574 is equal to 24 times 24. We have so many small squares. What's the ratio of d over s for this large value of n? So here we have two variables, s and d, and we know n is 24. So how can we do this? So we need to simplify this question. How about we assume s is equal to 1? Because we are looking for the ratio, we can simply assume s is equal to 1. So each square, small square, the area is 1. And the total gray area we have 576 is the 64% of the large square region. So the first step, we can find that the large square region is 576 divided by 64%. This will be 900. So we find the large one is 900 and the large square region. So we do a square root of 900. We got 30. So first we find each side is 30. And now let's find D. So because we have 24 gray area, and we will have 25 of D, because when there are 3 square, it will be 4D. So 24 square will be 25D. 25D will equal to 30 minus 24. There are 24. So now 25D is 6. So D is 6 over 25. So D over S is just 6 over 25. So far, so good. Okay. So what can we learn from this question? So I think for a ratio question, you can assume with a simple number. Here, if we assume S is equal to 1, the question will become a lot easier. Okay, next one. This is 2020 problem 25. Let's pause the video and think about it. Okay, let's come back. So we have the length is 3322 and the width is 2020. Wow, large numbers. And we know there are 3 squares. How can we do this? So how about we assume each side is A of a square, each side is B, and the S3 is C. So first, I think we can make some equation. So A plus B plus C is 3322. And so this side will be A minus B. A minus B plus C will be 2020. It's asking for what is B. So we are looking for B. So we have seen these kind of questions before, I guess. So here, if we assume A plus C as something else, so A plus C, if we put another name as, say, D, so D plus B is 3322. Here, A plus C again, So D minus B is 2020. This is something we know how to do. Some two number plus together is 3322, and their difference is 2020. So how to find B? We can use 33. So let's say two things plus together is 3322, and their difference is 2020. So we can do 3322 minus 2020. This will be equal to 2 of B, the smaller one, right? So now it's 1302 equal to 2B. So B is equal to divide by 2. 651. Okay. So what can we learn from here is that we can use algebra, assume some letters, and change this whole complex. This is algebra and geometry. Change this whole complex question into a simple equation and then try to solve it. Let's see the last one. This is 2010 problem 24. It's a power question. Again, let's pause the video. Okay, let's take a look. What's the correct order of the three number? So when we need to order three numbers, normally we will compare them pair by pair. So let's first compare 10 power of 8 to 5 power of 12. I think we need to change 10 into 2 times 5 power of 8. 2 times 5 power of 8, if you expand them, is 2 times 5, 2 times 5, 2 times 5, 8 times. That will equal to 2, 8 of 2 times 8 of 5. So this will equal to 2 power of 8, 5 power of 8. And then how to compare these two? So I think we can divide 5 power of 8 on both sides. So the first one become 2 power of 8. The next one become 5 power of 4. How to compare these two? So 2 power of 8 is 4. So 2 power of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2 together. So 2 times 2 is 4. This will be the same as 4 power of 4. Go to 4 power of 4. Now we can see they have the same power, but the base 5 is bigger. So now we get, when compare the first two, 10 power of 8 is smaller than 5 power of 12. Okay, let's compare the next pair. That is those two. Okay, so 5 power of 12, 2 power of 24. We can use the same idea. So basically the idea is the same. So 2 power of 12 will equal to 4 power of 12, right? So these two, again, same power. The base 5 is greater. So we have 512 greater than 2 power of 24. So 512 will be greatest. Okay. Lastly, we compare 10 power of 8 with 2 power of 24. So again, 10 power of 8 is equal to 2 power of 8, 5 power of 8. So let's divide them each by 2 power of 8. So the first one become 5 power of 8. Second one leave with 2 power of 16. Then how to compare these two? Yeah, same idea. 2 power of 16 is 4 power of 8. Again, same power, the base 5 is bigger. That means we have this is greater than 2 power of 24. So 2 power of 24 will be the smallest. So A will be our choice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.